additional space which I intend to use in the top shelf of my closet and store my clothes in them. I went to Sam's Club and bought these heavy-duty banker's box which are very sturdy and can contain up to 650 pounds, and they are easy to install as well. So no equipment required, no taping required, and they are very easy to make it. Just to give a kind of a basket look to this kind of a plain heavy duty box, I bought a stick and peel grass cloth wallpaper from Walmart, and I'm just sticking on the box